Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh, he's a beauty. Come on, mate. Come on. Oh, this is gonna hurt. Come on, mate. Wow, look at the size of this cray. Whoa, yes, you beauty. Oh my goodness. How lucky am I? I'm gonna be eating well tonight because that is a beautiful, beautiful crayfish. Yes. Absolute beauty, hey? Painted rock lobster. Sorry, mate, I'm gonna end. Most of the good meat you're after is in this tail. I'm gonna give this a second to cool down, but we've got a beautiful cray tail.